If you're passionate about a certain subject, why not earn money from your blog? Blogging can be a great way to share your ideas and connect with like-minded individuals. Plus, there are a few ways to monetize your blog and start earning an income. Like advertising, write sponsor posts, selling your own products or services, affiliate marketing. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe so you stay up to date with all the exciting content I'm putting out. What is blogging? Before do blogging, first you should understand what blogging really is. Blogging is a way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world. You can write blog about anything that you are passionate about, like articles about science, fashion, food, travel, sports, history, latest tech, or anything. What are the benefits of blogging? There are many benefits to blogging. First one is to share their thoughts and feelings on a given topic. Second, to connect with like-minded people, to build a following of loyal readers, and last but not the least, to make some extra money. How to start a blog? Before you start a blog, there are a few things you need to take care of. First, you need to choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you want to write about? Once you've decided on a niche, you need to come up with a name for your blog. Something catchy, something that represents what your blog is going to be about. Next, you need to choose a platform. WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr are all popular choices. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to start writing. Write about whatever you want, share your thoughts and your passions. Monetizing your blog is a whole other beast. You can do this in a few different ways. You can sell ad space, you can join an affiliate program, or you can sell products or services directly from your blog. Each method has its own set of pros and cons. You'll just have to experiment and see what works best for you. No matter what, don't give up. Blogging is a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. Stick with it, and you'll be surprised at how much success you can achieve. Now it's the time you're waiting for. How to make money from blogging? There are a few ways to make money from blogging. Today we will look into 6 of the most popular methods. 1. Sponsored posts. One way to earn money from your blog is to write sponsored posts for companies or brands that are relevant to your niche. This involves writing a post that promotes the company or product and then including a link to the company's website. Sponsored posts usually pay more than other types of posts and can be a great way to earn money if you have a large enough audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to monetize a blog. This involves including links to products or services on your blog and then earning a commission on any sales that are made through your links. This can be a great way to earn money if you have a lot of traffic to your blog, as you can make a commission on every sale that is made. 3. Display advertising. Display advertising is a type of advertising that is shown on your blog, usually in the form of banner ads. This can be a great way to earn money if you have a lot of traffic to your blog, as you will be paid based on the number of people who see the ads. 4. Product reviews. If you are an expert in a particular field, you can earn money by writing product reviews on your blog. This involves testing products and then writing a review of the product on your blog. Product reviews can be a great way to earn money if you have a lot of traffic and if you are an expert in the field. 5. Selling ebooks. This involves writing an ebook and then selling it on your blog. Ebooks can be a great way to earn money if you are an expert in the field. 6. Selling courses. If you are an expert in a particular field, you can earn money by selling courses on your blog. This involves creating a course and then selling it on your blog. Courses can be a great way to earn money. In conclusion, if you want to start a blog and make money from it, there are a few things you need to do. First, find a profitable niche. Secondly, create high-quality content that will attract an audience. Third, monetize your blog with advertising, affiliate marketing, or by selling products and services. And finally, be patient and persistent. It takes time to build a successful blog. Hope you find this video informative and helpful. Tell us in comment and subscribe to the channel so you can get such type of interesting videos in future. Have a nice day.